Paula from Plantland, and this video is going to be about grow lights. Grow lights are something that gardeners here in Montana need because we just don't get enough natural light, especially in this early part of the growing season when our plants really need it. If you're doing any kind of seed starting especially, there are quite a few seeds that actually require light to germinate. It's a general rule of thumb. It doesn't hold true for every plant. But as a general rule, the smaller the seed, the more it is apt to be a seed that requires light to germinate as opposed to heat to germinate. So I'm going to show you some of the lights that Plantland sells. First, we're going to start with the most basic stuff, bulbs. I've used bulbs like this for years, and I just use them in plain old utility lights, swing arm lamps, little desk lamps, all sorts of things. They fit a standard light socket, and they take a standard cord or anything. You don't have to do anything special with them. And they provide full spectrum lighting. Full spectrum light is the rainbow. What we mean by that is plants require the same light that they would get from sunlight, the full spectrum. And if you think of a rainbow, that's running through blue, greens, all the way up to the yellows and reds. Fluorescent lights are in the blue-greens part of the spectrum. Incandescent bulbs are in the red and yellow part of the spectrum. These bulbs tend to be the whole, or are the whole spectrum, so that's why they're referred to as full spectrum lights. Very important for your little plants. So all of these bulbs are something that you can easily buy and use in all sorts of fixtures. This is a good one to put into like the aluminum bell-shaped lights that you use for chicken, keeping your little chicks warm. There also is systems and things. We also sell fluorescent, or not fluorescent tubes, grow light tubes that will fit. Now these are changing because of new regulations, so these don't necessarily fit a plain old standard shop light anymore. You'd want to check and make sure that you knew what your light required before you purchase these, but you can easily use these in some of the newer lights. We just put some new LED lights in our shop, which we really love, and these kinds of tubes would fit in those. So we sell those. We also sell systems, the light that would take them, the kind of fixture that would take that kind of light. Little lights that you can put, Michelle can tip up, or I don't know, maybe you can see it. Light systems that you can hang from the ceiling if you're really growing lots of stuff. Really powerful lights if you're trying to do something in a bigger space. You have a system like this that actually works. You'll see that this will go up and down, something that's important with your seedlings. And then we get back to here. We have some new systems that we're kind of excited about at Plantland. These are some sort of desktop, kitchen top, or countertop systems that come with everything you need to grow. They've got the lighting system, they've got the growing container that you'd put seed start in, and they've got a mat that will wick water out of this reservoir. They come in quite a few sizes here, and they seem like a really exciting thing to start something with starting seeds. And again, you can see that it's something that's adjustable as far as the height of the light. This one I kind of like. This is a grow dome and a flat and a light that just sits on top of it. Now you can see that's sitting on plastic. It's obviously not getting to be very hot. So those are our grow light choices. Plantland actually has a really great selection of really specific kind of stuff. All sorts of systems that you can buy. A wide range of prices. Everything from the most expensive, biggest countertop type system to something as simple as a light bulb. And we also have information on our website about how you use light and how you grow your seedlings with light. So this is Paula from Plantland. Happy gardening.